Check out this 2006 Subaru Impreza. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Call today to schedule a test drive.